thanks very much for staying with us. In other news that we are tracking this afternoon, where we are PIL that has now been filed in the Bombay High Court seeking directions to the Maharashtra Minister and the NCP leader Nawab Malik to refrain from making any comments against the NCB in light of the drug case which actor Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, who is said to be the accused. And now what is being said in this public interest litigation that has been filed by an individual named Kausar Ali, who claims to be a priest and a person working for the rehabilitation of drug addicts. He is now saying in his PIL that comments that are being made by the NCP minister should be asked not to make any such comments against the NCB or any other investigative agency that is associated with the Aryan Khan case and the officers of such agencies, as it will demoralize the probe agencies and encourage drug abuse among citizens. Let me straight away go across to Priyanka, who is joining us live from Mumbai itself, because Priyanka, what is exactly this PIL? What does it say, especially when we are talking about the back-to-back attacks that the NCP minister has been doing against the NCB and of course the zonal director?
Well, what we see in this PIL is something that the NCB officials had also been mentioning earlier as well, that these kind of statements that are being made, the kind of political posturing that is being done by leaders like Nawab Malik, who have been making claims, who have been alleging something or the other from day one of the entire investigation that the NCB started, that it only does one thing, that is derailing the entire investigation. This is something that the NCB also stated in their affidavit that they had submitted to the Sessions Court, and not just the Narcotics Control Bureau but also Samir Wankhere himself in his affidavit had stated that even though he's the one bearing the brunt of all of these personal attacks and of course also questioning his professional integrity as well, he's saying that these comments, these statements are only derailing the entire investigation. They are delaying the entire investigation, because remember, the day that this affidavit had come in the public domain, after the day next after that is when Ananya Pandey was supposed to come to NCB, and then the entire matter had to be delayed. All of those things had also been mentioned by the NCB, that these kind of tactics are only delaying and slowing down the entire investigation, and for them they're saying that the leads that they have, the time is of the essence as well, and these kind of statements should not be made by anyone specifically on a matter that is sub judice, specifically on an investigation that is of sensitive nature, and of course, as we know, that the NCB has to work on several leads that they cannot always make public, and they have to move very quickly. So these kind of things is what the NCB had also stated inside of the court, that these kind of political posturing, these kind of political comments only derail the entire investigation.
Right, absolutely, Priyanka. Priyanka, of course, is reporting from the NCB's office in Mumbai. Priyanka, for the moment, thank you for joining us. We will, of course, come back to you for the latest developments on that.